Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and today I will be unboxing the all-new Schok Freedom Turbo XL. Now before I get started, I want to give a special thanks to Schok for sending out this phone to unbox and review. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get in with this unboxing. Okay, so let's go ahead here and take a look at some of the specs and some of the stuff that it comes with. Like I said, this is the all-new Schok Freedom Turbo XL. You see up here. Now it says great display, dual cameras, and all-in-one bundle. Has a wall charger, a 9/8 tempered glass protector, 4 colorful back covers, premium case protector, an extra long 5-foot USB cable, headphones with hands-free, and a car desk magnet holder. Now looking up here, you will see edge-to-edge 5.7-inch HD display, dual rear cameras, 13 megapixel plus 0.3 megapixel camera, and a front-facing 8 megapixel selfie camera, a fast fingerprint scanner, quad-core 1.3 GHz 2 graphic processing unit running at 550 MHz, 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of storage, expandable up to 144 gigs with SD card, and runs Android 8.1, fully unlocked smartphone for GSM, and it is VR ready. Now back here, you will see some more specs: a 5.7-inch arched 2.5D edge-to-edge tempered Dragon Trail glass, 720 by 1440 resolution, 8 megapixel selfie front camera with a flash, and there is some camera features: a 3000 milliamp hour battery, 1.3 gigahertz quad-core processor, double the graphic processing units there, built-in gyroscope, GPS, FM radio, Bluetooth, strong inner structure, 100% made of steel, USB micro with OTG V2 technology, 8.1 Oreo, and a pure Android experience. No adware, shareware, or bloatware. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open this up and pull this out and pull this box out of here. Alright, so got that there. Okay, so let's go ahead here and pull the phone out and put it to the side, and we'll see what and all else comes in the box. You got your Freedom Turbo XL user manual here, as well as your warranty there. Now here, of course, is your wall adapter there. Over here is your earbuds. So I'm guessing they're the same ones that came with the Schok Freedom Turbo, which looked and felt really nice. Here as well, you do have your colors. So you do got a bunch of different colors here to choose from if you like. So you have a blue, you have yellow, and you have a red. So really nice. You have an alcohol prep pad here with your tempered glass screen protector, as well as a battery, as well as the Schok customer service number and all that right there. The battery right here, go ahead and pull that out as well. You also have the magnetic vent mount, which is really nice, and your micro USB charging cable there. Let's go ahead, put it all back in the box. We will look at the phone. Okay everyone, so the phone is now in hand. It also came with this really nice case as well that feels very durable, and that's nice that it's included with the phone. Now looking here at the back, you'll see your dual camera setup with a flash, fingerprint scanner, this really nice glossy back here. On the right, of course, is your power button and your volume rocker. On top, you have your 3.5mm headset jack. On the bottom, you have the bottom firing speaker, micro USB port, as well as your microphone. And on the front here, got the sticker. Go ahead and pull that off. You have your front facing camera, your flash and receiver, that nice 5.7-inch display, and on the left we have nothing at all. Now let's go ahead here and pull off the back cover. You'll see the battery right there, and this does have your SD card slot, micro SIM 1 and nano SIM 2. Really nice to have, you know, separate spots there for the SD card as well as your micro and nano SIM cards. Let's go ahead and put back on the back cover here and get it all snapped into place really good. And we'll give this phone here its first boot up. This phone feels really nice in the hand. It's got a really nice, durable, solid feel to it. So far I'm really liking the way this thing is feeling. So yeah, got Schok there, got the little animation boot up there, says Schok. So I'll go ahead and get the phone here all set up, and I will come back in just a moment. Okay everyone, so the phone is now set up and ready to go. Let's go ahead and try out that fingerprint scanner back here, which is pretty accurate and works very well, as you can see right there. Now this phone does have a 720 by 1440p display, and it looks really nice, very vibrant. Got your Google over here. Very smooth feeling phone so far. Swipe up here for your app drawer, and very stock experience. You have a sound recorder, Schok TV, FM radio, and that's about it. I mean, you can tell that it's just a really nice display here. Let's go ahead and jump into settings and kind of browse around here a little bit. And now we got network and internet up here. So you do have your SIM card hotspot, data usage, airplane mode, stuff like that. Got your battery here, of course, 85% battery, and it's got standby intelligent power, battery saver, and battery percentage. Always have that turned on. You have your display here for mirror vision, brightness level, adaptive brightness, wallpaper, advanced for your sleep, auto rotate, navigation bar, so you can actually turn on or off the navigation bar if you wish. You can also change the buttons around here, as you can see, so really nice stuff there. You have your font size, display size, screensaver, all that goodness there. Got sound, storage, and only 4.49 gigabytes is being used out of 16 gigs, so really nice there to see that. You got Jura speed. Here in fingerprint, we have your fingerprint functions, fingerprint manager, on touch. You can return back screen, touch the fingerprint sensor to return back screen. You can touch and hold to back to home screen, recent tasks, take photo and video, answer call. So you can do a lot of stuff here with the fingerprint scanner on this device, which I will do at a later time. So really nice stuff there. Down here at systems and about phone, you'll see this phone does run 8.1.0 Oreo with June 5th, 2018 security patch. So a really nice looking phone, to be honest with you. Really nice feeling phone. Really nice glossy looking back here. It just looks and feels nice. Got your drop down shade here as well for your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, not disturb, flashlight. So always nice to have a flashlight here on your phone. Got other stuff over here as well, like capture screen, mobile data, airplane mode. You can also edit those if you would wish. Now let's go into the camera here for a brief moment and take a look around. So down here you got video mode, you got photo mode, face beauty, you have your blur mode here, mono, panorama, and pro mode. So a lot of cool stuff there. You also have a 1x here or 2x to zoom in, so that's a really nice feature there as well. Let's push this button up here and go down here, GPS location, face detection, preview size 16 by 9 or 4 by 3, and it does have a 13 megapixel camera, self timer, anti-flicker capture, and zero shutter function. Now let's go ahead and go into video mode and see what kind of settings we have in here. So we do have 1080p, 720p, and 480p, microphone, and electronic image stabilization. Flip around here to the front facing camera and see how that looks. So it looks pretty good here. We'll also go into the settings here and go to the picture size. So an 8 megapixel camera here in the front, and in the video department you can record in 480 or 288p. So no HD recording here on the front facing camera. So yeah. And you also got photo mode, face beauty, and mono mode. So that's the camera settings. You can bet I'll be doing a camera test with this phone here and trying all of that out. So this is just an unboxing and first look here of the Schok Freedom Turbo XL. I will be using this thing like crazy, giving you my experiences with it and all that goodness. So stick around for all of that. If this was helpful and informative, hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave it below. I'll get back with you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and I would really appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.